Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I will show you how to create group on Mac OS using terminal. In the previous videos we learned how to create user, how to delete user. So in this tutorial you will learn how to create groups on Mac OS using terminal. So first you should open your terminal, and then by using this command you can create group on macOS. Sudo dscl dot minus create, and then groups, and then the name of the group, for example test, and give an id, for example 1000. So I created the group. How we can check if the group has been successfully created or not? So by using dscl dot minus list, and then groups. As you can see, test, I created these groups. Very easy and very simple. If I want to create another groups, just sudo dscl dot create, and then groups, and then for example HR, human resource. If I want to list, let's find the HR group, as you can see here. So that's how you can create groups on macOS using terminal. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.